Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Stalker 2 if it crashes on PC. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to try to update your PC. To do so, just go ahead and go to your search bar right here at the bottom left and type in System Updates. Alright, once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and click on Check for Updates. If there are available updates for you, just go ahead and install those. Once done, restart your computer. Alright, and after that, don't launch the game yet. What you're going to want to do next is to update your graphics card drivers. To do so, if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, just go ahead and right click on the icon right here at the tray and launch the NVIDIA app or the GeForce Experience. Alright, if you're using Intel or AMD, just go ahead and look it up online on how to update your respective graphics card drivers. Alright, now once you're in here, again, if you're an NVIDIA user, go ahead and go to the drivers tab and make sure that you have installed the latest drivers for your GPU. Or if you have already installed the latest drivers for your GPU, just go ahead and click on reinstall, try it out. Once done, restart your computer, try to boot up the game and see if it helps. Now if that won't work, there's some few tweaks here for your computer to do that you can do. Go to your search bar and type in game mode settings. Alright, once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it and make sure that it is turned on. And after that, go to your game bar, make sure that it is turned off. Alright, then search for graphic settings right here, click on that and make sure that hardware accelerator GPU scheduling is turned on, and then add your game right here. Alright, just locate the directory. If you have it installed on Steam, just go ahead and go to Steam C, Program Files x86, Steam, then Steam Apps, Common, and locate the game from here. Alright, for example, this is Stalker 2. Alright, just go ahead and click on it and hit on add. Now once it is added, just go ahead and click on the game right here, then options, and make sure that it is set to high performance, then click on save. Once done, restart your computer again, boot up the game and see if it helps. Now if that will work, go to your Steam app. If you have it installed on Steam, go to Steam right here at the top left, go to settings, then downloads. After that, go ahead and click on clear cache, wait for the process to finish. And after that, don't launch the game yet. Go ahead and locate the game, right click on it, go to properties, then go to installed files, then simply verify integrity of game files. Alright, once done, launch the game from here, don't launch it from the shortcut, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.